Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring some courses for you, and that courses are available totally free, and the certification also provided free. So you don't need to worry about any payment or any amount. So the courses are that I already listed out in the thumbnail that you see, and I will show you what are the courses available and how you can enroll for these courses, how you can get the certificates for these courses. Everything I will tell you that, and the link for the website also I will give, so don't worry about it. So now we'll move on to the content. Go to the browser. See here, this is the website where you can get the premium courses which are totally free, and also you will get the live interactive classes here, and these all live interactive classes are free, and these classes are from the industry experts. So I hope this website is really beneficial for all of you guys. Now first I will show you the what are the courses available, then I will show you how you can enroll for these courses. See, now move on. See here, the upcoming live session information. Every day live information is there. See here, 26 July data science, journey into data science consulting, and 27 July machine learning, next 28 July analytics, and other live sessions are also available. Click on view all live session, you can see the information, register here and attend it free. And now I'll show you the some domain courses. See here, first domain is data science. Under the data science there are 4 courses available. See here, introduction to R, statistical method for decision making, predictive modeling and analytics, next data visualizing using TableView. So these 4 courses are under data science. Now we'll move on to the machine learning. See, machine learning, that is Python for machine learning, data visualization using Python, statics for machine learning foundation, Python for machine learning in Hindi, and the courses are also available in Hindi specific, so you can enroll in these courses and learn it in Hindi also. Now we'll move on to the next domain, that is artificial intelligence. See, click here, introduction to neural network and deep learning, computer vision essential, digital image processing. These 3 courses under the artificial intelligence. Now we'll move on to the IT and software. Here a lot of courses are available under the IT and software. Introduction to full stack development, introduction to information security, data structure and algorithm in Java, Python programming in Hindi, Java programming in Hindi, Excel for beginner, introduction to programming, introduction to cyber security, introduction to ethical hacking, front end development HTML, front end development CSS, blockchain basics, C programming in Hindi, C++ programming in Hindi, React.js in Hindi, data structure in C, R programming in Hindi. So these are the courses under the IT and software. Next, the cloud computing, that is cloud foundations, Microsoft Azure Essential, AWS for beginner in Hindi. Next, under marketing and finance, financial risk analytics, marketing and retail analytics, introduction to digital marketing, business finance foundation, marketing strategic framework, marketing 4P pricing, similarly for product, similar for channel management place, and similar for marketing communication, that is promotion. So these are the courses under the marketing and finance. Next, our big data. Under the big data, see here, you will get the courses related to the big data analytics, Hadoop, introduction to Apache Hive, Spark basic and streaming, introduction to Apache Kafka, introduction to Hadoop 3.0, introduction to advanced Spark. So these are the courses. And here about virtual classroom, these are the virtual classroom topics, you can go through it. Next, industry case studies. So these are the industry case studies for banking and finance industry, for insurance industry, for retail and e-commerce, for human resource management, sales and marketing, healthcare industries. So these are the courses which are available. So now I'll show you how you can enroll for this course. For example, if I want to enroll for data science course or artificial intelligence, then I go to this artificial intelligence domain. Then I'll select the course. For example, if I want to do introduction to neural network and deep learning, then I will go to the enroll for free option. Then it will ask for creating the account or login option. So if you're new to this website, then first create your account, that is provide your email address, then go to the sign up option. If you already have account in this website, then go to the login option. So I will show you how to sign up here. Then go to the sign up option. Then it will send you the email. See here, the email has to send your email ID with activation link. So go to your email and activate this. So I will show you. See here, this type of email will become. Go to the verify email option. After that, this page will be open, and put your full name, put your mobile number, password, then go to the sign up option. So after sign up, this page will be open. Then go to the course. It will show creating your account. So here is a course that I enroll. It's available on my course option. See, click on it, and in this way you can select the course. Otherwise, first create account, then select the course. See here, this is the course outline, know your faculty, these are the topics to complete. See here, video, quiz, and what are the assessment. See here, quiz 1 and claim your course certificate. First you have to complete the quiz, then you will get the course certificate. So in this way you can enroll this course. Or first go to the login or sign up option, create your account. I already have account here, so that I will go to the login option. I provide my email ID and password. After that, click on login. Then see, this type of page will be open. Scroll down and go to the topic, select the subject and enroll now. In this way you can study the courses that is effective for you and need for you. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you need any information or any problem you have, then comment below so that I can provide you the information or help regarding it. And the link for these courses, this website, I will provide on the description part, so don't worry about it. Go through the link and enroll for the courses and enjoy the study. And if you like to our video, please hit the like button. And if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you. Thanks for watching.